Well, Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe has expressed reservations over the latest breakthrough in the fight against Covid-19. That is a vaccine by pharmaceutical giant Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech. Although Pfizer says that the vaccine is up to 90% effective, the company is still waiting on safety data, which regulators need to sign off on before mass production can begin. While giving a status report on the country's fight against the pandemic, CS Kagwe was put to task about insurance funding for COVID-19 patients. The Senate Health Committee expressed concerns that some private hospitals are charging their clients heavily for COVID testing before any other treatment. The government says they will take action soon. CS Kagwe has also stated that he will write to the cabinet to inform them of his decision to sell off the PPEs at the KEMSA warehouses at the current market price, even though the government is expecting to make a loss due to a higher purchase price.
The projections are anything between 3-4 years. They are still thinking about those kind of timings. So even for us, we have to work with a worst case scenario and say to ourselves, yes, we are hearing there's a vaccine. Yeah, as you know, yesterday, Pfizer said there's a vaccine. But I really personally, to tell you the truth, I've got my many doubts about it because we're talking about a disease that stops people from getting the virus. Now, I would like to know how they knew in the first place that I was going to get the virus so that the vaccine, you know, you're talking about a treatment. When I have a virus and it goes down, I can understand the measure. But when you tell me that I stopped you from getting the virus, how do you know I was going to get the virus in the first place? So for me, I have reservations. I have my reservations about it.
Because the market price for the PPEs, the mask, is now very low compared to what KEMSA bought them at. Why couldn't these items just be sent back to the suppliers? Because yesterday, in our committee meeting, we went through submissions of the suppliers who had supplied to KEMSA. And one thing that caught my eye is that they were subsequent negotiations to reduce the prices.
I have no choice but to tell Parliament, as I am doing, in advance of the decision. I have to write a CAB memo and explain to the government that yes, there will be a loss at KEMSA regarding PPEs, and then they trade themselves like other organizations are doing. They trade themselves out of it. If you bought computers last year, you know, if you're a computer selling company or computer distribution company last year, and you bought computers last year, you are going to have to take a loss of it.